Here's a 2016 Buick Encore. This perfectly sized and nimble Encore is perfectly suited for your next adventure. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, voice activation, power sliding and tilting sunroof, Wi-Fi hotspot, and automatic transmission. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.